Oh, he said he paid.
What is that?
That is a durable canvas dog toy.
Dog toy made by who?
Night Pet.
Night Pet.
K-N-I.
Night Pet dog toy.
Look.
It doesn't squeak real good.
Ted don't care who makes it. He just wants it.
It don't squeak real good, but they say that he can't tear it up.
It's made in China.
You think you can tear that one up? Huh? You think you can tear that one up? You want it?
I'm gonna watch it.
You want it?
Oh.
Huh?
Piggy.
Let's go out.
Look. He begging. Look. Sit pretty. Sit pretty.
Let's go out and you can have it.
You sit pretty?
Go out and you can have it. You want it? You want it?
They smell of it.
Huh?
Sit pretty.
You want it?
Sit pretty.
What is it, Dave?
Oh.
There it is, right there. Huh?
Get it, Ted. Like a big old baby. What are you doing, Ted?
I think that one's gonna be a chore for you, Ted.
You just don't even know, do you?
I don't think you're gonna tear that one up. Huh? You gonna tear that one up? It ain't squeaking, is it? Ooh, that wind is cool.
Get it, Ted, you get it.
Yeah, there it is, right in the middle.
He said, that's worthless. He has got that shit. He's got stuff all over that thing. I was trying to keep you from tearing it up before you got back. He was sitting down working on it.
Huh? That pretty good? It's still squeaking?
I tried to get him to come up here, but he... Look, get it! He has got that thing nasty.
He's serious about getting that one, ain't
He is. He's like, come on, back in here. Come on. You just seen the way he was galloping a while ago. He is just funny. He don't know. He thinks he's a little thing, don't he?
Mm-hmm.
Don't tear it up. Yeah, he was trying to put them canines in it a while ago. Are you timing?
No, it's going to take more than 5 minutes, I believe.
He's marked it already, just so you know.
Let me see it. Let me see it. Give me that thing. Give me that thing. Give me that thing. Give me that thing. Where are you going?
He's like a little kid.
He ain't wanting me to have it no more.
No. You got it? You got it? He's getting away from you, ain't he?
Mm-hmm. You gonna sit still and you can work on it now, can't you? You can work on it now, can't you? Give me that thing. Give me that thing. Huh? Oh yeah, you about got it. You got some canines in it there, look like. Yeah, you about got some canines in it, don't you? You ain't give up yet? Huh? No? Well. Gonna lay down and try it for a while. I believe that one's gonna last more than 5 minutes, Ted. Maybe. Maybe. You trying to get the squeaker out? Huh? Trying to get the squeaker out? What are you doing? What are you doing? Trying to tear it up? Give me that squeaky toy. Yeah, you trying to tear it up. It might not last 5 minutes. Yeah, it's still squeaking though. Ted, you can't have the stuff out of it now. Well, that's less than 5 minutes. I had about a minute on the first before my batteries went down. And now we got 3 minutes and 23 seconds of the second one. So, less than 5 minutes. You can't have that. You can't have that. You got the squeaker out, didn't you? Huh? Got the squeaker out. Didn't you? It don't squeak no more. It don't squeak no more. What? Yep. Oh, it's tore up now, bud. Got a squeaker right here. You got it out.